Guys, it's Naya again. I know that I'm defaulting in this vlog, but I'm trying. I'm really trying. I'm still learning how to vlog, how to be comfortable filming outside, and I'm going to do it. Today's vlog is a maintenance vlog, so I have my wax appointment at Sugar Rush, so I'm taking you guys with me. My mic spoiled like 2 or 3 days ago, and I've been filming with my AirPod. If you know any good mics that I can buy that is affordable, please do let me know in the comment section and I'm going to get it. So let's go get dressed and we'll head out. I hope you are patient because Adele is patient with me.
I'm very, very gentle.
Okay? How is it?
Thank you.
Is this coffee?
No.
It smells like coffee. Yeah.
Now, do you skip waxing?
Yes, I skip. Not to beat me.
I can see that it's very strong.
I skip. Oh.
You know, you can put it down.
Waxing is painful, so when I think about it, I will skip it. So how often am I supposed to come?
Like, just wait for like 5 weeks max. 5 weeks max.
5 weeks.
Yes.
I'm
It
trying
depends
to-
on how your hair grows faster.
I will try and remember.
Do you need stress balls?
What that's supposed to do? That's supposed to help me.
Don't do it. Like you have something to press. Okay. So. Ooh. Sorry.
A few moments later.
Why are you crying?
Please, man, don't skip waxing. I don't want to be going through stress like this. Sorry.
I will try and remember. Most of the time when I remember, there's already period and I can't call.
Okay.
Then by the end again, we'll just we'll just go back to our shaving creams, please.
Mr. Solomon. Hi, good afternoon. Oh, okay. Hi guys. So today is the 16th, yes. So in today's vlog, my friend Obi is having like a water park themed birthday get together, and I'm on my way out. I even just remember that I'm supposed to vlog. Guys, I'm trying and I'm going to keep trying to do this vlog thing. So I still have my hairstyle and I'm going to do a quick outfit check to show you what I'm wearing. See you guys. So I have my for very comfortable movements. Of course I have a shorts underneath, but yes, this is my feet for today. See you.
Happy New Year.
Which one be Happy New Year?
I have to say that.
Hi.
What?
Baby girl. Yes, yes. Go back, go back, go back. Come on. Oh yeah, come, 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 come. Come, 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 baby.
It's wiggling! It's moving! It's shaking! They don't start.
We would have come to ask them if they can sell something.
If you can sell it at 1K, that's
Not the
fine.
one with the thing.
Let me see if I can get you something. Please, thank you.
Thank you.
So nice, thank you.
Yeah, they just told us to pay extra for socks. 2K. Socks on 300.
Extra.
Lagos Island.
Use your mouth and yes.
Everybody come now!
I made it to the end. I made it to the end.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
I think this was doing 360. Yeah, 133.
Are you my phone?
Let's go!
Guys, it is 8:30 and we're done. Baby girl, Abby, come. Come now. I also look a mess. So we're done. We're heading to Ram and Beer for drinks to round up the day. I just hope you can hear me over the music and I'm not just rambling. So. Oh my God, Jeffrey and Whistle.
Okay, so the game is going to start with Obi. Please, I like this first card. Okay, thank you. Yeah. Oh yeah, Jason. Woo! Why not? Brother Bernard, why not? So Ella, continue what you're doing. That's what you're doing. I'll smash.
Thank you very much for watching. Do remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Till I see you next time. Bye.